Hey there, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and man, is it cold outside. I tell you what, we've had some of the coldest week that we've had in a long time, so I'm going to talk to you about 4 crucial attic air seals that you need to do, that you can do on your own, that is going to stop the drafts in your house, so stay tuned. Okay, so every home has air loss in it, okay? Every time your heating and air unit kicks on, you open the door, something happens, your house loses air. Even during a storm, if you got like wind blowing in a real hard direction, maybe 12 to 20 miles per hour, it'll actually push air out of your house as well. So some of the things that you need to do in order to make your home a little bit more energy efficient and less drafty is to do some air sealing. And the first place I want you to look at is actually the access door to the attic. Now, whether you have a pull-down hatch or a push-up access door, this is probably the biggest loss of air because nobody insulates it, nobody air seals it. So there's a lot of great information and great tips out there about how to do it. But if you've got a pull-down door, I want you to check the description down below and look at what we recommend for the pull-down door cover. It's a great little system, easy to install and very efficient, and even covered by radiant barriers so that it doesn't allow the radiant heat to come down inside the house from the attic. It's called our attic hatch guard, so make sure you check that out down below. The other thing you should do is you should air seal any recessed lights or can lights. Now, a couple of years ago, I did a great video about how to do that, and I'm gonna put that link down below as well. But what you wanna do is if you've got non-IC rated, in other words, you're not supposed to have insulation contact, that's what the IC means. So you're not supposed to have insulation contact on your recessed lights or your can lights. You can use a product that is very good. It's made of mineral wool, and it's made by Tenmat. Okay, so be sure to look that up. We'll see if we have a link to the Tenmat down there as well. It's very, very good product. Now, there are different kinds. There's one that is not IC rated, and there's some that are, so make sure you get the right kind. It's like a fireproof one that you're looking for. All right, you can also use a couple of different boxes and things like that, but we really like the Tenmat because it's really good at air sealing recessed lights. So the third thing that you can do in order to air seal your attic is to air seal the top plate of every wall. What you could use is the Handy Tool HT700 gun. We make this available on our DIY site. It comes with the gun and also a case of the spray foam, and you're gonna need a case. You may need a couple of cases depending on how large your attic is. Now, this is not gonna be an easy project. You're gonna get covered in insulation. You're gonna probably almost fall 10 times while you're up there because you're stepping on studs and everything like that, but it's really, really a good way to air seal. So you go in and you just move all the insulation off the top plate, and then you just spray foam all of those holes that the electrician and the plumbers made, and also the gap that you'll see while you're up there that you don't see while you're in your house, where the drywall is not touching the top plate. Okay, I would go ahead and air seal that as well, and that'll keep a lot of that air from traveling up into the attic and save you money and make your house less drafty. Okay, so the fourth thing you're gonna wanna do is to air seal any ductwork that you have in your attic. And I did a video about that. We'll put that down in the description below. I'm not gonna go into the details here, but if you'll do those 4 things, you're gonna notice your house is not only more comfortable, but you'll probably save some money. Remember, there's thermal insulation, which is blown-in insulation or batting or things like that. That keeps heat and cold from transferring, but it doesn't stop wind. It doesn't stop drafting. So you have to air seal the attic hatch, recessed lights, top plates, and also the ductwork in order to air seal the house better. So my name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. I hope you like this video down below, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching.